Hi, it's Tara again from Contextural, and we are here today for the tutorial to show you how to um, insert the information about your pieces into the website. So you can either take the easy route, and that's just to type out all of the information in the format that I asked in the last tutorial and email that to me. And as you can see, I've already gone ahead and done that, inserted that for those two pieces that we did in the last tutorial. But if you're more adventurous and you'd like to do it yourself, I'm going to show you how to stick it in yourself. I've typed in the information on a text edit, same as we did before, for these two pieces. This is the rocks and air piece that I did quite a while ago. And again, you can see there's no information there, but I've got the information typed in the text edit. And we're just going to go into what's called the back end of the site. It's where we can control everything, sort of navigate the site and make it do what we want it to. So we're going to click into the Handmade Bliss site in the administration. Ooh, and we're already there, so let's log out and take you from the beginning. So what I've typed in is www.handmadebliss.com/administrator. And it's /administrator. And if I click enter for that, this is where we get. And here you should be able to type in your username. I'm going to type in Tara Griffiths. That's my username and my password, which I will not share with you, but I hope that I remember it. And here we are in what's called the back end of the Contextual site. So what we're looking for actually is articles. So articles are every page on the website. It's sort of like a magazine article, but it can be changed different ways. So I'm just going to click in the article manager here. And there's an umpteen amount of articles, and it would take you a while to find the one that you're looking for. You're looking for your gallery site article. And the best way to do that, to find it, is you're just going to come over to the select section, and you're looking for the gallery section of the site. Click there. Oh, we still have tons and tons of articles, so let's make it smaller, make the choices smaller. I'm going to go down to my name. So each of you has a category. If I click on my name, it should just come up with 3 or 4 articles. So these are the different pages where I've got the information for the different links on my site. Links is one of them. My artist statement, I could go in and change that information. I could go into the curriculum vitae and change that as well for my CV. We're interested in the member gallery page because I want to upload the information about those images, and I click in here. Now you'll notice a couple things. First, I've got my username and some weird code up here. That just tells the website that it needs to, on this page, we need to show that gallery. And then you'll notice the code that we, that information that we inserted from before, I've already gone ahead and pasted that into here. Exactly the same way as it was. So I've just gone to my text edit, copied it, and then pasted it into this article. So let's go ahead and do that again for the new images. So I'm just going to go to text edit. Down here, I've got my more information about the next 2 images there. I'm going to click and drag, copy that. Let's minimize that screen. Click inside here in the editor, and I'm just going to Command V, which pastes that information in there. And that's as simple as it is. I will have made sure that my image is, that it's correct. And let's just, for argument's sake, let's say that if I typed in one wrong. So one thing wrong, I'm just adding an S here just to show you what would happen if I had typed it in incorrectly, in the file name incorrectly. So I've typed that in. We're going to click on save. You can either click save or apply. Save will close that window up, and apply will just update the website. And if I go back to my member gallery page, well, there's nothing that's happened. That's because I haven't updated that site yet. So I'm just going to refresh. I'm back to my necklace. We already had that. Scarf, we already had that information. And here I've got the rocks, and that's fine. Now when I click onto the second image, there's nothing there, and that's because I typed in that page, I typed in the name of that file incorrectly. So it's really important to type in the correct file name. If you've got even one letter that's wrong, it's not going to work. Oops, we've gone to the wrong place. So let's go back to the administration. Again, if you go back to the administration, we're going to go to, oh, we're in the wrong place, sorry, administration here. So we're in my section, a gallery section. Category is me, and I've got all of my images, or all of my articles here. Click on member gallery page, and I'm just going to change that up. And this time we're going to click apply. Now it refreshes things, but it doesn't go away from this image. It's changed the formatting, but that doesn't matter. And if we go back to the gallery page here, I've got too many windows open, and I refresh that window, it's not going to show up until I refresh it. I've got those ones, that one we've seen already. Oh, and I must have done something wrong, so let's go back and just make sure I've got it correct. Image 2. Well, this is possibly a mystery that we may not solve in this tutorial. No? Ah, here we go. Okay, so what's happened is that what I thought was image 2 wasn't image 2, it's a different file name, and so that's why you really need to write down your file names and make sure that you know which image goes with which. Here I've got the Air 3 with the wrong image. We're just going to leave it for now, but you can see it's shown up now, and it wouldn't have shown up before. If for any reason you happen to put in the wrong image, or you'd like to take away an image, you can do a number of things. We're going to save this, what we've got. We'll just live with the incorrectly made out image, or titled image. I'm going to go to Site and Media Manager. And if I just click on Site 2 and Control Panel, it takes me back to my original menu. Article Manager is where I would change that, all the titles and mediums. And here, Media Manager, I can change my images. I can't move them around, so it's not like being in a Windows format or a PC Mac format. But your images, if you remember, there was a images / stories are in there. So you click on stories, and then here I can find my folder. There's Tara Griffiths. And if I wasn't happy with one of these images, I could just click erase. Or I could just see, oh, okay, that was image 10, that's what I should have named it, and this one is image 2. So that'll allow you to see what's going on. Yeah, I can't change anything like you normally would in a Windows section. So if you do need to do anything except for remove or add a file, you might want to just contact me and let me know what you're looking for. So that's that section. I'm sure we'll have many more tutorials up in the next little while, but if you need any help with any of that, uploading your image information onto the website, feel free to contact me. Thanks!